Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press Erase All Content and Settings. Before you even consider this step, it is absolutely crucial to back up your device. This process completely wipes out every photo, message, and application you have installed. Think of it as returning your device to the day you first unboxed it. Without a backup, all your precious memories and important documents will be permanently lost. When you initiate the Erase All Content and Settings process, it systematically deletes every piece of personal information. This includes all your cherished photos, videos, and the countless documents you've accumulated. Furthermore, every single application you've downloaded, along with its stored data and user preferences, gets completely removed. Your device will no longer recognize your saved Wi-Fi networks, your customized wallpapers, or your stored passwords. Once the erasure is complete, your device will restart, presenting you with the familiar hello screen, just like it did when you first turned it on. From this point, you have two primary options. You can either restore all your data from a recent backup, or you can choose to set it up as a completely new device. Remember, without that crucial backup, recovering your old data becomes practically impossible. This state makes your device ready for a new owner or a fresh start for yourself. This powerful feature is primarily designed for situations where you need a complete clean slate. It's essential before selling your device to a new owner or giving it to a friend, ensuring none of your personal information remains. A full erase can also be a last resort for troubleshooting stubborn software glitches or performance issues that conventional fixes haven't resolved. It's also a vital security step for anyone handling sensitive data, providing peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.